Fresh drop.
I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. Our the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. Our the latest report them.
People who don't know Media Fox, you know, yeah man, you don't know. Yeah man, from where them not drop 2 video, but you don't know, yeah man. The guys are boss. You don't know in a Brooklyn, New York, yeah man. Good look for dancehall, you see me? Yeah man, good look for the artist too. You see it, the Brooklyn people them fall out. You don't know diaspora Jamaican same way, you see me? Yeah, people turn out celebrity and one bag of thing, you see me? Yeah man. It's a good look, you see me, but it wasn't a perfect thing, you see me? Why, I tell you. I don't know what they're going to do with Cartel Vybz. Right now, you have a next show today and Jano. I don't know what they're going to do with him Vybz. I'm going to use some AI thing or whatsoever, you understand? Because, I tell you, yeah man, some, yo DJ, oh, yeah, come. You see what I'm trying to say? Yeah man, you don't know the people them spend their money already, is it? Yeah man people, is it? But, it's a good look for dancehall, you see me? We expected it, you know. He not go US like for about 20 years now. He lock up in a prison for 13 years, so, yeah. We expect, say, you know, the place is going to look nice and, you know, everybody will love to see him. Although you don't know him, you know, he have a great catalog and thing and people remember him catalog them, you see me, but you know, like the new music, he not really hold the swing, you see me, so I just that thing.
Performance with Vybz Kartel. Fresh drop.
You see me people, so why me I tell you, Black Ryhno, come here. Brother, I don't know where you try. I don't know what that brother you like, bro. We see where the man do to your career and everything, but bro, like, bro, you big up the man, you have your hand up in the year and you not even look where you go, the way you into the man, brother. And then you see they nearly drop and mash up your face and all of these things. You see what I try to say? Bro. Remember the man them D with you and D the house and every little thing, bro, like, Jano, but bro, strong up, man up, brother. You understand? Cause I come like say, a drop you nearly kill yourself over a man and drop. You understand? Yeah. Drop yourself over this and all of them little things. You see what I'm trying to say? So, I tell the people, I don't know what's going with them money, you see me? Yeah. Really don't know what really are going with them money at all. I tell the people, cause, yo, I say something and, Jano, rough, is it? Cause, me say, I don't know, what going with Safaree? People, tell me. People, come look here.
We keep going round in the circle. The people that we do the dance for, them kids they come to line down, changing like a line gun.
Safaree, me no, I'm to you, brother. What kind of balling? Where are this balling? What all of this? What wrong with this? I don't understand. Someone you ball down like the cartel and woman are, bro, come down now, brother. Look how man react. John, no, brother. Yo, you could have hide it in a dog. You're a man in a bro. Hold up your stress. Come to know where you're going so over, brother. John, no, brother. I think a woman do not go on so over cartel, but bro, you not even look good. You see what I'm trying to say? Your man don't look good, people. You see it? I know where we Safaree are going right now. Come like say man wait for ball to rot it. And you man exaggerate. Let me say all the man are ball people. No yai water. Bro, I saw you want to force yourself a ball for a man, brother, for yai water, brother. You don't want to move him a act. And the man a move away like girl and a jump. Bro, come down now, Safaree, man. Come down now, brother. Yeah, man. Strong up, bro. You see what I'm trying to say? Strong up. You see it? Yeah, man. But, you don't know. To me, people, you know, to me, this is called Vybz Kartel Prime. Like, to me, Vybz Kartel Prime, this is it because he is not doing this in his career. Like, you understand? Feel like, if you see all of this where, you know, do all of these shows and all of them look at something here, you see me? It's evident for everything we are going. You see what I try to say, people? It evident, you understand? It really evident because, you know, he never do this and I like him to sell out the shows back then and all of these things, you understand? And yeah, I'm gonna do what artists a road now really do because he was not able to fly, you understand, and he was not able to do certain things because he locked up in a prison. You understand? you know, and all the things that he has done in dancehall and outside dancehall, you see me? Because you see what put him in prison, you know, badness and all of these things. We all know the history, you understand? So to me, this big thing is like it's just like a whole celebration, you know. Yeah, it's just a whole celebration of things. You see, he's welcoming in the dancehall space and everything.
Fresh drop.
Just be more to listen to that, brother, yeah. People.
Kartel show at the Barclays Center last night. I watch it. You know, pretty much you can say that Barclays Center was sold out. And many people may not like Kartel and say a bag of things about Kartel. But if a man for locked up 13 years and come out and I do it, it's a great thing. And he was doing it when he was incarcerated. But he come out and I do it, and I saw something this week and put in a paper say Kartel say he live in the United States of America now. I mean, that's the best decision he can make because he's smart. I mean, if him stay at Jamaica in the card can't play because remember, you know, he beat them at the game. So for him to migrate from Jamaica, I believe is a great thing. For him to even do that, you know what I mean? Him in a place where, I mean, no man is untouchable, but him in a place where there's more protection, the law is different, the corruption is different. So, hey, hats off to him, and I hope that he continue to do what I do and all that because he's a great artist. You can't deny that. He's very smart. One of the most smartest artists out there, right? Him not just sing music. Him use every opportunity to make the best out of it. And see that in my solo concert. I mean, a lot of other artists may not get into perform now because, you know, most people are putting the money into Kartel show or, you know, things like that. But everybody have them time. Everybody have their time, and you have to just take your time when it comes, continue the way I do.
I just see the video a while ago. People, I tell you, someone I gotta say, if go in a prison for 30 years and come out and come do this, like, yo, bro, which dancehall artist, which other artist ever go prison for 13 years in a dancehall and come out back? Like, bro, a Kartel alone go prison for 13 years, brother. We not make it seem like a 10 artists go for 13 years and come out and never do a Kartel. Him alone do it, brother. So sometimes when I exaggerate some of the time when I make no sense. You understand? It not make no sense. Because when you check it, Stadium of Jamaica in my hometown at 35k. Seeing and the Barclays Center maybe about 20k. Like, come on. Like most of the people there are diaspora people them. You understand? Yeah, it's a good look. You see me? You carry mother up on the stage, you know. That is a good look to one thing. But you see like him get all plaque for sold out show. I never know say people get plaque for sold out show. You see me? You know. No, Busta Rhyme forward up. Is he doing thing? Yeah. Kartel get a lot of strength, you know. The reason why Kartel is doing this, and people not understand, you know. Vybz Kartel get the biggest endorsement in a dancehall history. Like, come on. Everybody endorse him. A lot of dancehall artists out here, them now get them endorsement there. Imagine a man there prison for 13 years. You have artists out here promoting thing worldwide, internationally. Artists out here do collab with him while him in a prison. Artists out here have him in an album. Them a release him thing. Him a produce and the music and everything same way. You understand? So it's not. So when sometimes when I compare Kartel with other artists and them look at something there, it's like me I look on it and I say, is Kartel alone getting the strength he's getting? If other dancehall artists out there didn't get the strength and the endorse that Kartel get, them would not do what Kartel do too. You understand? Because it's all about promoting and endorsing. You understand? And everybody that comes, them go on the theme wing, them both team, them say Gaza, them add So them only the artists them only are endorse for him thing, for him movement alone. You understand? While them don't really have that movement there. We all know Kartel. We see where Kartel come from. Kartel was a so-called Dan and all of them because something. Yeah, move on from that now. You know him have links, him have powers. He's not an artist who just doing music alone. He has done a lot of things. He do business, all of them look at something there. You understand? So everything that's happening now is because he was locked up. He never go to the US for about 20 years. So evidently, this not go full out. That's like 20K, that's like 20,000. Like that's more or less than the stadium there in Jamaica. So nothing is really surprising, but it's a good look. You understand? It's a good look. You see me? And the artists them come out, come support him. From him come out, the artists are there in Gaza. Remember, you know. Remember, say man Black Ryan never good, man Popcorn never good, man Not Nice never good, man Javinci never good. You understand? So he have to reunite to get back that energy. Cause imagine Vybz Kartel on the stage right now, by himself doing his own thing, and the artists them where him and them fall out never there. Like it would have been a different talk, it would have been a different energy. You understand? Vybz Kartel alone can't manage to perform on the stage like Enlif. Yeah, can do some and some part, but come on. Read the room. Most of his shows.
Kartel a call, bro. Papi, waiting. The Kartel just can't top it. Time. One on road. Time is everything. One Ryhno, one championship. Time is now. Yes. One KBK. Oh, he never gave. We not at. We at. Yeah. We are what is under me nose? I'm out. Thank you. Kartel.
He's saying people have to dare to help him on the stage. You understand? But we're not going to take away from the music that he done and the work that he put in. You understand? And remember this. He was in prison. He got help to release his song and do promotion and every little thing. It's not on a regular day where artists go to prison and they promote that artist like how they promote Vybz Kartel. You understand? Because you have a lot of artists go prison, but them not promote them like how they promote Kartel. You understand? Them endorse him. All sort of things. You understand? So that's why today, you see this one bag of talk and every little thing is what I'm trying to say. So, you know, and it's in the diaspora, this thing keeps. So, you know, it's not like a place where nobody don't really know dancehall. You understand? So, yeah, boys are good look same way. You understand? So, some of the time, when me hear like, some big generation, I say, yo, Chado, this is expected, people. Very expected. You understand? So, some of the time, when me hear people talking and people saying all sort of things, you know, people are comparing Beyonce and all these people. Because musically, right now, there's nothing really going on musically right now. He's gonna move to he's in the US right now, he move, you know. Remember, his past wasn't that peaceful, wasn't that good, so you have to relocate, you understand? But then he wasn't a good person, and maybe at this time he's acting, no, because the same man that he mistreat in him camp and all of them look at something, yeah. He's uniting with them now, and he has to do that, because he want back that strength. Him alone cannot do it, you understand? And most of the artists in dancehall right now, they're prepping up, them doing things by themselves. They're not really getting much endorsement like what Kartel get. So that's why them not elevate like Kartel. Because as an artist, you need a lot of push all of these things. You have artists out there where just do them own a thing, you know? And you have artists who love unite, you know, use people's strength for each at a certain levels. You understand? But all what you see what go on right now, it soon die down. Like, this is Vybz Kartel prime. You understand? This is his prime right now, you know, because he wasn't selling out these shows and all of these things back then. He was doing shows, but there was no sold out and whatsoever. You understand? So if he's supposed to solo shows now, it's evident, it's expected. He's supposed to solo shows, but it's not every show he really sold out. Sometimes it's just PR stuff. They just put solo, but when you check it, it's not solo. When you go on the site to purchase a ticket there same way. But you know, his PR, Vybz Kartel PR is working very good. Because some of the things when I see them post and I say, yo, this is not facts. If you really check this, it's not right. It's not factual, like, general. But it's a good look, people, and you know, them are going to have one tonight and thing, and you see me? We're going to see how that one you go. But it's a good look, you see me? Yeah. 13 years of your life for come back, you know, for come do this. Because it's like this. 13 years of my life missing. So it's like, him just a recoup for all the way me losing at the 13 years. By performance and all of these things. You understand? Yeah, so, yeah man people, I just saw the things that, you know, and we have to just know, say, yo, it's musical, we are dealing with dancehall thing and all of them look or something, you see me? But sometimes the exaggeration now make no sense, you see it? Yeah. This bag of artists now do this and artists now solo on shows and way, you understand? Because, you know, you have to give thanks, say, him there road too, you know? You understand? You know? It's a lot of things make him at road, corruption and all of these things, so. It's not, no artist don't go to prison for no 13 years and come out like him and doing this, so he's got a lot of endorsement, he have the power. You understand? You have a lot of people that bow to him and, you know, so this is expected. Everything that's going on with Kartel right now is expected. It's nothing new. You understand? He's supposed to do all of what he's doing now. Yeah. So, yes, people, you don't know, you know. I'm Media Fox now. Yeah, man. That is it.